Welcome to Pasco Libraries Tech Time. My name is Jacob. Today we're going to look at accessing your library account online. We're going to start at the library's website, www.pascolibraries.org. On the right-hand side, you'll see Login. You'll click on that, and it'll take us to our sign-on page where we will put in our library card number and our password. Password is usually your last name, all capital letters. You'll then click the login button just below it. When you log in, it will show you what you have recently checked out, what you have checked out right now. You can access all the library's categories. You can click on your fines to see if you have any library fines that you owe. You can click on your personal details. Here you can change your home library, you can change your name, you can change your address, your birth date. Now if you change your name, your birth date, or your address, you have to go to a local library branch to verify with your ID or with a piece of mail or something with your address. You can also change your home phone, your email, and alternative address, alternative contact information without going into the library location. You can go and change your password. That does not require you to go into the library. You can just do that right here on the website. You would click Submit Changes. You can see your reading history. The reading history is all the books that you've checked out, the last 50. You can sort them by date or by title. Now you can go to your privacy and you can change these settings. You can tell it to remember all the books that you've checked out forever. You can have the default, which is the last 50, or you can tell it to never remember what you've checked out. If you click immediate deletion, that's it. It wipes everything out. There's no way to retrieve it. There's no way for the library or for you to see that information ever again. Only you can look at your reading information. The library has no way to look at this information. So accessing your account online is the only way to look at your reading history. If you click your purchase suggestions, it will show the status of any purchase suggestions you made to the library system. Your messaging is about how you're contacted, about checkouts, about holds, about items due, about items being checked in. You can set an advance notice of a variety of times to be notified when your items are due back. You can even get a notification of items that were checked out so that you can get an email showing everything that you've checked out. You can see when items are due, and when items get checked in, you can receive an email as well. You can create lists and keep them on your account. You can also view public lists, such as summer reading lists, Sunshine State, and new DVDs that the library has purchased. You can also add your email address to our Friends of the Library mailing list. So the library's website looks slightly different on a mobile device. This is from an iPhone. Tap on the word login. It's going to open up a separate page. From this page, you're going to type in your library card number and your password. This will then log you into your account online. Once you're there, you'll scroll up the screen and you'll see a gray box that says your account menu. Tap on that and you can select from all of the same categories that we saw on the desktop website. Now for some helpful information, we have found that when you try to log out of your account and log back in on a mobile device, this menu will not show up. What you will have to do is you'll have to go into your settings and clear your web browser data. This is clearing the history and the cookies.